Hello, this is just Naomi and Choppergirl, and I just want to show you a quick little one-line program I would leave running on store computer displays when I was walking the mall back in the 1980s. You'd come across these computers set up by stores, and people walking by would type a little crappy Hello World program on them, basically print Hello World, go back to the same line. And this just irked me to no end, so I'd quickly bang out something different, and this is that program. Nothing special, just doing it with a little bit more style, using some cosine and sine tab print statements. So let's take a see and go back to 1981. By the way, mostly I'd leave this running on Radio Shack or Macy's computers, which was, the mall was the place to be back then. So run this thing, Chopper Girl. Like I said, nothing special, just something different than Hello World. And of course you can replace the two asterisks with whatever you want. I'd put Radio and Shack, or Shop Macy's, or Hello and World, or Chopper Girl, whatever I felt like at the time. And then I'd jet and keep on walking the mall because I had other things to do. So this is on the Vice emulator. It's a Commodore, in this case, 128 emulator, and I wanted to show it to you in 80 column mode, but I just couldn't figure it out in time. I eventually did. Too late now. I'm not recording this again. I'll show it to you on a Commodore 64 here in a second, with a more readable version of the listing, which is in the video description if you want to try this out on your own, or modify it, or whatever. Here we go. This program is the same program, but just spread out a little bit more so you can read it. Fire it! That's my Hello World program. Not exactly demo scene material, but you know, whatever. Fun factoid for today. 1981.